Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today I am participating in a collaboration that is hosted by Crystal from VividlyOnPaper. It is all about your dreams. I dream crazy. Like, my dreams are so crazy. Sometimes I wake up and it just feels like it was so real, and sometimes they stick with me so like all throughout the day, throughout the week. Sometimes there's dreams I just never forget, and then there's times I just don't remember dreaming anything. Most of the time I remember my dreams. I couldn't really interpret my dreams and put it into anything. I'm just not that creative to be able to, or artistic. So I'm excited to see how everybody else did this collaboration. I just decided to make some little notebooks and about dreams. So I made this little notebook. It says, your purpose is to shine your light as bright and as beautiful as only you can. So I just got some little seam binding here. I planned on doing this a whole different way with like a straw and some thread that I seen something like this on Instagram, but it didn't work out. So this is how I did it. And then I just put like a little tiny pocket here, and there's some ephemeras in here. This is all from this Spellbinders kit. You Are Stellar, that I won from Laura's Plans and Crafts. So I thought this would be the perfect time to use this. I just put a couple little drills here. And then this is some food coloring gel that I dyed, paper that I dyed a long time back. And I haven't used this since Crystal's other collaboration that I was in, Enchanted Forest Fairy, something like that. And we did. So they're just little papers in here. You can write, and you know, just a little tiny notebook. I thought was so cute. And then I just decorated this page, just stay as you are, and I just ripped some paper in honor of Crystal. She loves to rip paper. I've got some gold thread behind this little cloud here, and I covered up the moon too much in this one. You can't really see it's the moon, but that's okay. Here's another little pocket with just some more ephemera in it. And it says, grateful for life and its magic. Here's a cute, these are just some cute ephemeras from this collection. And then just more different paper. Here's a little pocket back here. And so, I mean, I just thought, you know, I wanted to try something different. It would have been really different had it worked out the way I wanted it to, but it's okay. This is still cute. And I plan on adding some personalization to these, because I did make 2 of these. They're pretty much the same. Like I said, this one's a little bit thicker. You can see the moon a little bit better on here. I didn't do as well on that one, but they're pretty much the same. And so if you would like to be entered to win these, I'm gonna have 2 giveaways. If you would like to be entered to win these, just leave the word star in a creative sentence, and along with this will be some other goodies that I've been working on, and to go along with this prize package. Yeah. So I hope y'all like these. I had a lot of fun making these. I haven't got to craft for anything for a little bit, so I had some fun making them. And I just wish the idea had come back together a little bit better than having to use these, but it's okay. They're functional and they're cute. So, all right. I will leave this open for, today is the 3rd. I'll leave this open until the 8th, and try to choose the winner sometime right after that. Y'all know me. So there will be some other goodies to go along with these little notebooks. So, all right, I hope you all check out all the other channels that are in this playlist. We'll have them all linked in the description. And make sure you are go check out Crystal's channel. She is the host. And thank you so much, Crystal, for having me. I had a lot of fun making these. I hope you all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having so much fun, and I hope you are enjoying your dreams. And dream big. All right. Thank you all. Bye-bye.